Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. We will start with the revision work, children. Okay, and in this revision work, you have to do matching. Match the number names with the numerals. You will write the numbers this side and number names this side and match. Okay. In the next, write the skip counting of threes. How you will do the skip counting of threes? You will take out three fingers. For threes, you will take out three fingers. Now first number is 4. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 will come here. Okay, then 7 will go in mind. 8, 9, 10. 10 will come here. Then 1 dash is here. 10 will go in mind. 11, 12, 13. 13 will come here. Now 11 in my mind, 12, 13, 14. 14 will come here. 14 will go in my mind. 15, 16, 17. 17 will come here. Is already written. 17 will go in mind. 18, 19, 20. 20 you will write here. Okay. In threes you will take out 3 fingers. In fours you will take out 4 fingers. Write the skip counting of fours. Okay. Now see. 4 fingers take out. 4 in my mind. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is written here. 8 will go in mind. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 you will write here. 12 will go in mind. 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 you will write here. Now again 8 will go in your mind. First number. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is written here. And 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is written here. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is written here. Okay. So for 4, skip counting of 4, 4 fingers take out. For skip counting of 3s, 3 fingers take out. Okay. Now put the correct sign. Means with the number which is big, you will put the crocodile mouth that side. Okay. 7 and 10. Which one is the big? 10. So sign will come this side. Crocodile mouth will come this side. 13 and 12. Crocodile will eat to 13. Then this side. 4 and 5. 5. Crocodile will eat 5 number. Then 5 is big. 9 and 9 equal sign. Okay. Now what comes before? If the dash is before number, it means you have to write the before number. If the dash is after number, then you will write after number here. What number comes before 3? 2. What number comes after 12? 13. I am not writing so that you should do practice. If I will write, then you cannot practice. Okay. Now page number next. Here you will do backward counting, children. Backward counting. See, write the backward counting. 8, then 9. No, 9 forward. Backward you have to go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Okay. Now complete the tables. Tables you should learn. Okay. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. Circle the number which is greatest. Means biggest number. 8, 7, 5. Which is the biggest number here? 8. So you will circle 8. Okay. Next is circle the incorrect number. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 comes now after 4, but here 8 is written. So 8 is the incorrect number. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 is coming which is incorrect. बीच में 8 आ जा रहा है जो कि इनकरेक्ट है. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 4 के बाद 8 नहीं आता, 5 आता है. सो 8 इज रॉन्ग. सो यू हैव टू सर्कल 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 7 के बाद तो 8 आता है, बीच में आ गया 9. 9 इज रॉन्ग. सो सर्कल दिस नंबर. ओके. Answer the questions. When we get up for school, it is when we get up for school, morning. When we get up for school, it is morning. When the sun sets, it is evening. sun जब डूबता है तो क्या टाइम होता है? इवनिंग. When we eat lunch, it is afternoon. You have to learn the spellings also. Morning, then evening and afternoon. Okay. Add the following numbers. 7 in my mind. 2 finger up. 7, 7, 7, 8, 9. 6 in my mind. 3 finger up. 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and 4 both. 4 in my mind. 4 finger up. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here. Okay children, this much you have to do in this revision work. Okay, do it nicely children, and we will meet in the next maths class. Okay, bye bye.